Hey y'all, we're back again for another tutorial today. So today I'm going to be creating a very beautiful halo eye look for you using the Huda's Pretty Grunge eyeshadow palette. So let's start off. So in case you haven't watched the part 1 of this video, go ahead and watch that. That way you can see this beautiful smoky eye I've created using this palette. So let's jump right into creating the look with this. Since the palette has a couple of neutral tones as well as the grungy ones, I wanted to show you how you can use this to create a much more neutral color story also. That way it works for a lot of people. So let's jump right into that. Picking up the shade Fearless, we're going to use this color right at the outer corner. It's kind of like this purpley mauve and it does not wash you out. It looks super intense. That is just with one dip. The mattes are amazing. I really can't tell you how good the formulation is with this palette. I feel like it gets better every single year with her launches. So I'm applying it in the outer corner as well as towards the inner 1/3 and also in my crease. I'm checking whether it's seen when my eyes are open, and I'm going to increase the height in my crease to a height where the color is seen when my eyes are open. Now just quickly blending out the edges, and I'm going to create this neater edge right at the outer corner of the eye. That way, it just gives you a good shape and a little bit of elongation to your eye. Going ahead and just going to take up the shade Brave, which is like a pinky purple kind of a color, and we're going to start to blend the upper side of the eyeshadow. This did not wash me out at all. I found the color was like immensely easy to work through, and you can see I'm doing like a live blending and you can see how easily the color blends out. So honestly, like, you will not have any blending issues even if you're a beginner with this palette. Such a beautiful formulation. I really can't tell that enough, but it is so good. It just blends out beautiful. I'm just making sure that the color doesn't go till the eyebrow, and we're also elongating it slightly. Going ahead with the same mattes right in the lower lash line too. I'm connecting it from the outer corner all the way till the inner corner. Because I'm doing a halo eye, I want the outer as well as the inner areas to be matte and also darker. And then we're going to go ahead and add a shimmer right in the middle of the lid. So picking up the shade over here, which is like this really sparkly kind of a tone. It's like a grungy kind of a gray kind of a tone with the purple shift to it. I really can't describe how beautiful this shade is, and it's extremely sharp, extremely sparkly. So patting that right at the middle of the lid, and I'm going to create a very thin eyeliner along my lash line and adding a little bit of the same shimmer at the lower side of the lash line just to kind of open up your eyes. And going ahead with the Huda Legit lashes, we're just going to go ahead with a couple of coats of mascara on the lashes, and there you have it with my falsies on. This is the completed look. I hope you all enjoy this halo eye look and definitely try it out. It is something which will work on every eye shape. So I hope you all enjoyed this and stay tuned for more. Until next time, bye bye.